Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome back, XRP or Ripple community. It's been a while since I covered it. I mean, I've tried to cover XRP every once in a while in the last months. I think last 2 months, because as most of you know, look, XRP just hasn't moved much. There hasn't been much going on. I still think I like Ripple quite a bit. I don't hold it anymore. It's look, I'm more of a Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then just a lot of bigger. Well, no, it's pretty diversified. But XRP, just holding it at this moment, just doesn't tick my boxes. Maybe if we get some sort of momentum going, but you can see that XRP has practically been flat this entire time. Would have been great for a spot grid bot, but yeah, that's in hindsight, of course. So now, obviously, with the flush on Wednesday, I'm not even sure how much open interest was built up and how much leverage was built up in XRP. Yeah, it was quite a bit. The open interest dropped down from 700 million to 500 million, even lower right now after we had another small drop this night. So yeah, look, there just was a ton of leverage on XRP. I think the funding rates were also relatively high. We can check that out easily right here. Yeah, funding rates were high. So after that flush, the funding rates have normalized, which needed to happen. That also does create a path to more bullish momentum for XRP right now. I like Ripple fundamentally. I'm not going to... I think it's one of the projects that are actually doing things. I think it's one of the cryptos that actually have a business behind it and a project that are doing things and having real projects going on, which I like. I like that a lot. But if you look at it technically, I mean, like I said, over the last day, we again had a bit of a drop in open interest. Bit of a build-up again, but that build-up was nothing compared to where the open interest was at. And right now it's dropping again. So purely technically, I can talk about the greatness of Ripple fundamentally for a long time. But technically, there's not a lot to show for it. So if you look at the daily time frame, look, ultimately what we would need to see is some sort of a bullish breakout to at least see some bullish momentum and to know that there are some opportunities. If XRP is able to break back above the previous support of this range, which is right here between 60 and 59 cents, if it's able to break back above that level, that's great, all right? Then we actually have some possibilities. And then I would probably also go long, because if we break back above 60 cents here, we can at least get up to 64 cents. But at this moment, in my eyes, there's no indication that something like that is most likely, or that something like that is to be expected. At least not in the short term. I mean, ultimately, something like that will happen. But right now, it just seems most likely. And you can see that, look, we're at a strong support. But I don't buy it. I think it's most... I don't think we're going to go as low as where the spike went on Wednesday. But I do think we're revisiting, or it's most likely that we'll revisit 55 and 53 cents. Because that's it's multiple support levels kind of glued together. But that's the main support level. And I do think that from there, we can have enough support to actually... I also expect the markets to be relatively bullish, which should help XRP. It doesn't always. But it should help XRP in some way. XRP also tends to be, I'm saying a lot of things just in combination, like I'm kind of rambling, but all right. XRP seems to be correlated with Ethereum as well. I do expect more good things from Ethereum after the Bitcoin ETF news, if it's good. So that could be good for XRP. So I do think that this support level will be the support level that provides enough support for XRP to break back above 60 cents and to have some more bullish momentum. That's what I expect, but on the short term, I think it's more likely that we'll have some more bearish momentum before finding support and then regaining some strength. So those are my thoughts. A lot of rambling, so I'm sorry for that. The video is not that long, but hopefully it still was valuable for you. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. There we made a ton more profits than if you were just holding XRP. That's up to you to check out if you want to. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.